Welcome. Please pause video to view written information. Video is shot on a 2-post lift for clarity. It is easy from the ground by placing a floor jack under the receiver to increase install space as needed. Right side installation is shown for clarity. Process is the same for both sides. The kit arrives pre-assembled. Loosen frame mount bolts and remove the top frame plate from each assembly. Remove bolt tabs from the axle mounts as well. Mounts are ambidextrous and will fit either side. Use a rust penetrant on the bump stop bolts several times and let sit for a few days prior to installation. With hand tools only, uninstall bump stop by removing the bolt with a 10mm socket and extension. Wipe off any debris from the mounting areas. Install top plate to the frame with the M10 1.5 by 35mm bolt and star washer provided. Ensure the large hole is directly over the axle. Align and torque to approximately 20 foot-pounds. Install air spring assembly to the top plate with 4 1/4-inch by 1-inch long carriage bolts and serrated nuts. Torque to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Align and lower axle mount over the axle pad. Insert bolt tabs on the front and back side with the 5/16 by 3/4-inch bolts provided. Ensure star and flat washers are assembled correctly. Torque to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Torque air spring bolt to approximately 20 foot-pounds. Route airline is shown through frame and out the back side. Completely insert airline into the push-to-connect fitting of the air spring. Airlines are pre-cut about 7 feet and have a black protective cap installed to aid routing and keep the line clean. Remove after installation. Secure the right, left, and air fill line to the push-to-connect T-fitting. Secure along the chosen path with zip ties. The air fill line can be placed inside the box, license plate, or anywhere you prefer by drilling a 5/16 hole. Please ensure lines are secured away from exhaust, suspension, and spare tire operation. Fill the system to 100 psi and leak check connections with a spray bottle of soapy water. If leaks are detected, recheck airline for a clean 90-degree cut and full insertion into the fittings. Double check all fasteners for securement.